Hello and welcome. Look, if you're a business owner, you know the dream, right? It's all about building something amazing. But the reality? Oh, it's often just a huge mountain of paperwork. So today, we're going to show you how to conquer that mountain and get back to doing what you actually love. Let's jump right in.
So, you've got this brilliant idea, you're all set to launch, full of passion, full of energy, but then the nitty-gritty of just starting up begins to creep in.
And suddenly, you're tangled in this whole new web of words. GST filing, TDS, income tax returns. It honestly feels like you're learning a whole new language, doesn't it? And believe me, it's not an easy one.
And it's not just the taxes. You've got registrations, licenses, endless filings. It's like a sea of paperwork that just seems to get deeper every single day. It can feel, well, pretty overwhelming.
Let's just be honest about it. It feels like you're trying to navigate a maze in the dark. Around every corner, there's a new rule, a new form, a new deadline. You're just trying to build your business, but you feel like you keep hitting walls.
But what if you had a guide? Someone who knows every single twist and turn of this maze and could lead you straight through to the other side.
Well, this is where FAATPRO comes in, and their name really says it all. They are the experts in finance, accounts, audit, and taxation. Think of them as the master key that's going to unlock your business from this whole maze of compliance.
So, here's the most important part. FAATPRO takes on all of that complex, really time-consuming work. They navigate the maze for you, clearing the path so that you can focus on what you're good at, innovating, creating, and actually growing your business. Okay, so you're probably wondering, what exactly does this guy do? Well, let's take a look at the full, comprehensive map of all the services they provide. Now, I know the details on this map might be a little hard to see, but the main idea is super clear. This thing represents every single point on your business journey, from day one all the way to becoming a market leader. And FAATPRO has a solution for every single step. Let's break down the most important areas. First up, the big one, taxes. From getting your GST registration sorted out to filing all your income tax returns on time, they handle everything. Just imagine running a business without that tax season stress. That's what they're offering. Getting started on the right foot is so critical. FAATPRO makes sure your business is properly registered. Doesn't matter if it's a company or an LLP. They also manage all the licenses you'll need, from your basic trade license to specialized ones like FSSAI for food businesses. This way, you are 100% compliant from day one. Every single business needs capital to grow, and FAATPRO is right there to help you get it. They'll assist with project financing, prepare those super detailed reports that banks always ask for, and guide you right through the loan process. It just makes everything smoother and a whole lot faster. And speaking of certificates, you often hear about a net worth certificate. So what is it? Put simply, it's just a certified statement of your total financial worth. Banks and even visa authorities ask for this all the time. And yes, FAATPRO prepares this crucial document for you accurately and professionally. See, they make complex things simple. Now, to make good business decisions, you need to have clear financial data. FAATPRO basically becomes your accounts department. They handle everything from the daily bookkeeping to preparing your final balance sheet. They'll do audits and create reports that give you real insight, so you always know the financial health of your company. And of course, a business is all about its people. FAATPRO manages all the employee-related compliance, like PF and ESI filings, and they can even handle your entire payroll process. This makes sure your team is taken care of and you are fully compliant with all the labor laws. So, we've seen all the different services they offer, but what does it all really mean for you, the business owner? What's the real advantage here? And this explains the whole journey perfectly. Number one, FAATPRO handles all that complex compliance. Number two, this frees up your most valuable asset, your time. Number three, you can now pour all that time and energy into your core business, into innovation. And the final most important step, number four, your business doesn't just survive, it thrives. And this is what it feels like. This quote just sums it up perfectly. It's that feeling of relief, of empowerment. It's the freedom from that burden of paperwork, so you can get back to focusing on the dream that started this whole thing. So, if you're ready to leave that maze behind you and find that clear path to success, here's exactly how you can get started. So, are you ready to trade all that complexity for some clarity? Are you ready to stop managing paperwork and start building your empire? Then it's time to get in touch. You can call FAATPRO at 773-589 7027. You can email them at hello@faatpro.com, or you can even visit their office in Bhubaneswar. Take that first step to simplifying your business today so you can get back to building your dream. Thanks for watching.